If you are watching my YouTube channel for the first time, then please like, subscribe and support our channel please. Your support will help us to get motivated and create more interesting videos. So, I request once again to please like and subscribe our channel please. Hi all, coming to this video, it's Diwali gift from Accenture. Here we have a highly anticipated package, carefully wrapped and ready to be opened. With every layer, the excitement builds, but what could be inside? As the festive season of Diwali approaches, the spirit of giving is all around us. And today, we are about to unwrap a very special Diwali gift from Accenture, a thoughtful surprise wrapped in festive cheer. With each layer of packaging comes the excitement of discovery. Let's unwrap it carefully and see. And today, we are about to unwrap a truly special Diwali gift from Accenture, a carefully curated surprise that's wrapped in festive cheer and filled with thoughtful details. As we peel away each layer of packaging, the excitement builds with every reveal. It's like uncovering a treasure, each layer adding a bit more anticipation, making the unboxing experience even more exciting. With Diwali being the festival of lights and joy, what better way to celebrate than with a gift that embodies both elegance and thoughtfulness? Let's take our time to unwrap it carefully and see exactly what delightful surprises await inside. And here it is, the stunning Accenture gift box, designed with sophistication and care, a true reflection of the festive spirit. Let's open this stylish box and discover the thoughtful contents inside. Wow, each item in this Accenture box is carefully curated to offer both function and style, all wrapped up in one impressive package. First up, we have this exquisitely crafted bottle. With its sleek, modern design and high-quality materials, it's not just a functional accessory, it's a statement piece. Whether you are heading to work, the gym, or simply out for a stroll, this bottle keeps you refreshed and hydrated in style. Its ergonomic shape fits comfortably in your hand or bag, making it the perfect companion for your busy, on-the-go lifestyle. Practical yet elegant, it's the kind of thoughtful gift. And here's something that's always useful, this elegant key bunch, designed to keep all your important keys in one place. Next, a smooth, premium pen that adds a touch of class to any desk or meeting. A perfect tool for making an impression. Last but certainly not least, a box of premium dry fruits, because nothing says thoughtful like a healthy, delicious treat. Each item in this Accenture box is carefully curated to offer both function and style, all wrapped up in one impressive package. Thanks for watching our video. I request you once again, don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel please.